Okay, first we take off all the screws right here. So I was able to replicate the problem here. I think the reason being is when they install the hood, assemble the hood, they put the fan right there, the fan wheel, too close to the housing, and causes it to grind on the metal plate in the back. So now let's take out all the screws and remove the black panel from there. Alright. So let's try it out. So I was able to replicate the sound just by pushing this a little bit more inward. So what you gotta do is take this, kind of like a 90-degree screwdriver, and then you could purchase it at Home Depot or Lowe's, or have your technician to do it, and unscrew the this screw right here. And then push it a little bit further outward, so that when you spin, when it spin, you don't hear the noise anymore. So after that, you put the screw back, and you tighten it. Make sure you tighten it so that the bolt securely bolted down to the shaft. Let me give it another good. Okay, so now as you can see, the this fan wheel, it's no longer scratching or grinding on the metal plate in the back. Awesome.